How to create a shipping label on ShipStation. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a shipping label using ShipStation. ShipStation is an excellent tool for e-commerce sellers, helping you manage and streamline your shipping process. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and log into your ShipStation account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for a free trial to get started. Next, you need to import your orders, so click on the Orders tab in the left-hand menu, and here you can either manually add an order by clicking Add Order or import orders from your connected sales channels. So once your orders are listed, select the one you want to create a shipping label for. After selecting your order, look for the Create Label button, usually found at the top of the Order Details panel. Click on it and a shipping label window will pop up. And here you can choose your shipping carrier, service, and package type. ShipStation allows you to compare rates, so select the best option for your needs. Now that your label is created, you'll see an option to print it, so you can print directly from the window or save it as a PDF for later use. Make sure to attach the label securely to your package before shipping it out. And finally, after you've shipped your package, return to your ShipStation dashboard and click on your order and update its status to shipped. This helps you keep track of your shipments and informs your customers about their order status. And that's how you create a shipping label on ShipStation. It's a straightforward process that can save you a lot of time when handling multiple orders. See you in the next video.